Hello beautiful family, welcome to Nkechinyere Nanacy channel. In today's video, what I have for you is this delicious and healthy banana ice cream. Making this banana ice cream for my kids gave me so much joy and they really enjoyed it. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this lovely ending. So let's learn how to make banana ice cream at home. Abelewalls ice cream as we usually call it in Ghana. So let's go there. The recipes I have for the banana ice cream is banana, which is our basic recipe, and it has been frozen for 25 minutes. I also have condensed milk here, which is pig condensed milk. You can use any condensed milk of your choice, but this is the one my family enjoy taking. I also got powdered milk, and to this you can as well use heavy cream milk or evaporated milk if you prefer. There's no problem about that. I am using vanilla extract because it enhances its flavor in the ice cream just the way I like. You can as well use banana extract or any flavor you prefer because choices and taste differs. So let's start the preparation. In a clean bowl just like the one you are seeing, add some powdered milk. Please, the measurement of all the recipe will be at the description box, and a cup of water, and mix to combine. For me, I will not be adding any sugar because banana on its own is naturally sweet. But why you cannot do without sugar, if you ask me, please add a little sugar, thank you. So I've added condensed milk as you can see, and I will also mix very well to combine, and I will raise the plate and continue mixing. For the milk mixture, I don't like it too thick. I like it light somehow. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but that is just it. This is properly mixed or combined. I will set it aside and I'll move over to the next one. Have you liked this video? If no, please like the video to encourage us. Share the video as well to your family and friend. Drop your comment, and of course subscribe to the channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you. So let's prep the banana. The bananas has been washed before now. Please take note of that. Make sure you wash your banana very well before peeling to avoid dirt. I am throwing the chunks of banana directly inside the blender. Alright, you can decide to mash the banana before blending, but I tell you, it makes no much difference. Once I'm done peeling the bananas, I will go ahead to add 2 cups of vanilla extract to the milk mixture and mix very well to combine. Yes, we are almost done. This is one easy ice cream you can just close your eye and make for your children, especially this holiday period. Yeah, next is to add the milk mixture gradually to the bananas. Please don't add them the same time so that the banana will start blending gradually, okay? And this milk mixture, however, will serve as water that I will be using to blend the bananas, and I will blend this banana until they are well combined and very smooth. Alright, as I earlier said, this banana ice cream is very easy to make for your children at home. It is not time consuming at all. Try making this banana today for both commercial purposes and for your kids at home, and you will be very happy you do. We are done blending, and next is to fill the popsicle mousse with the banana blends. Alright, yeah, there are different types of popsicle mousse. Please feel free to use any one you have at home. There is a particular cup they used to fill it in Ghana here, and I love that cup so much, but I couldn't get it when I was looking for it. Please, if you are in Ghana, what's the special name you guys call that Abelewalls ice cream cup here, and where can I get it here in Accra? Please do let me know at the comment section. Wow, this is what we got after filling. The banana ice cream is so creamy. Can anyone else notice that just as I do? I am beginning to love this already. So once I'm done covering them, I will put them inside the freezer overnight because this is just 6 p.m. here. Okay, see you guys the next morning. This is the next morning, beautiful family, and we are done, and the banana ice cream is ready, and I am loving it already. Once removed from the freezer, add some water in a clean bowl, place it inside the water for some minutes for easy removal of the ice cream out of the popsicle mold or any kind of type of cup you use. Can you see how easy it is for me to remove it from the popsicle mold? Yes, I love the ice cream. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give the video a thumbs up, share the video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next video.